Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to talk about the upcoming Oppo Reno 2. Yesterday, two devices were listed on Tena, which are two variants of Reno 2. The only difference among these variants is the storage option. This phone is going to be camera centric and will offer quad camera setup, and one of them will have 20x zoom capability. There is also that legacy shark fin motorized pop-up camera. I don't want to keep you waiting anymore, so without further ado, let's get straight to it. The listing shows that Reno 2 will come with a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution without a notch of any sorts, just like its predecessor. The AMOLED screen in the Reno 2 is a bit taller in aspect ratio compared to the original, though the screen and the phone's actual size and dimensions have shrunk slightly. It will carry forward the shark fin motorized pop-up selfie camera from the original Reno that will host a 16-megapixel sensor. Around the back, it will have a quad camera setup with a 48-megapixel f1.7 main shooter, a 13-megapixel telephoto lens, 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The images of the back in promotional materials as well as on Tena's listing don't show one of the square periscopic style optical zoom cameras. Previously, Oppo had both the Reno and the Reno 10x zoom, with the latter getting a periscopic style zoom lens at 5x optical. This time, the Reno 2's 20x zoom is mostly in software. Oppo's site for the new phone states it uses a 5x hybrid zoom and up to 20x digital zoom. It remains to be seen if the Reno 2 will be accompanied by one of the bigger optical zoom later. Under the hood, the phone will feature an unnamed chipset with octa-core CPU running at 2.2 GHz. Rumor has it, it's the Snapdragon 730G. It's paired with 8GB of RAM and 128 and 256GB of expandable storage. For your information, previously Reno had a Snapdragon 710 and Reno 10x Zoom had a Snapdragon 855. When it comes to battery, it's going to be 3915 mAh battery with 20W VOOC 3.0 fast charging. It will run on Oppo's latest ColorOS 6 UI running on top of Android 9 Pie OS. And about its pricing, I have no information right now, but Oppo Reno series is expensive overall. The Oppo Reno costs 32,000 rupees in mid-range category, not like what we have seen in Redmi K20 Pro. So now you can think what could be the pricing. About its launch date, Oppo says that Reno 2 will be coming to India first in just a bit over a week on August 28th, and the last couple of details left to fill on the spec sheet will be revealed then. So do subscribe to my channel for more such information. See you next time. Peace out.